Do you like pineapple? In today's video, we will talk about the benefits of consuming pineapple skin and how to enjoy all the nutrients of this fruit. It is not a secret that a healthy diet requires fruits, vegetables, and greenery. But do you know how to pick the perfect pineapple at the market? Watch the suggested video to learn how. Did you know that pineapple skin has 38% more vitamin C than its flesh? This high nutritional value is characteristic of skins, seeds, leaves, and stems. However, many people still throw away these non-conventional parts of fruits and vegetables. Do you also do it, or do you use the whole fruit? The advantage of a pineapple skin tea, besides reducing waste, is that you get to keep the nutrients. Let's see 8 benefits of pineapple skin tea. Improves digestion. You surely know that pineapple is good for digestion, right? This is because vitamin C aids in the production of digestive juice. Besides, the fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, which breaks down the protein particles. Strengthens immunity. It is known that vitamin C is powerful against many diseases. Consuming this vitamin strengthens immunity. It is not for nothing that vitamin C is recommended against colds, for example. As we said, most of the vitamin C in pineapple is found in its skin. It is a diuretic and helps with weight loss. This tea helps with weight loss since it contains only 40 calories per cup. It increases satiety and is thermogenic, boosting the metabolism. It is also diuretic, which reduces water retention and prevents bloating. Improves blood circulation. Since the vitamin C found in pineapple skin helps reduce bloating, it also benefits blood circulation, as blood can circulate freely in the arteries. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Promotes bone health. Magnesium, which strengthens bones, is found in pineapple skin. The skin also contains a good amount of vitamin C, which prevents bone diseases and is anti-inflammatory. Calcium, thiamine, and biotin are also found in pineapple skin and make our bones stronger. Alleviates arthritis symptoms. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, pineapple skin tea, when drank regularly, alleviates arthritis symptoms. Antioxidant action. Pineapple skin is antioxidant and helps prevent aging. Improves vision and skin health. Because of the high levels of vitamin C, pineapple skin tea protects the vision, even avoiding cataracts. Also, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, this tea improves skin appearance and prevents acne, rosacea, psoriasis, or eczema. In addition to being tasty, pineapple has many health properties that improve the body. Who can't drink pineapple skin tea? Pineapple skin tea is contraindicated for people who suffer from high blood pressure and pregnant and nursing women. People with stomach issues such as gastritis, ulcer, or reflux must also avoid this tea. Pineapple is acid and should be consumed in moderation to avoid intolerances or side effects like heartburn. So, did you like learning about the benefits of pineapple skin tea? Stay tuned. Soon we will share a great recipe for pineapple skin tea to improve your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.